If you were to say that you were serving grilled lemonade, even at a party like this, people might pause to think about it. What is that exactly? What does it taste like? Well, you might want to give it a try.
Hi, it's Heather with Orson Gygi, and I'm going to share with you a favorite lemonade. We're going to be making grilled lemonade. Yes, it's grilled lemonade. This is going to add a totally different flavor to your lemonade. It's going to give you some caramelization and some flavors that you never thought you'd get from lemonade. First, we're going to cut a lemon just in half. This is perfect. Just throw it on the grill, and you can do it on an indoor grill if you've got a grill pan, or if you've got the grill already going with your other parts of your meal, just go throw it on with that. So once it's hot enough, you're just going to set your lemons face down. And can you hear that sizzle? That's perfect for your lemonade. You want to leave those on the grill for 3 to 5 minutes, depending on your heat, until it gets to be a nice caramelization. So once we've taken these off the grill, let them sit for just a minute. You don't want to squeeze them when they're super hot, but you'll just want them while they're still warm. Now this is one of my favorite kitchen tools. This is the lemon juicer. There's a little secret to it though. A lot of people get a little confused and think that they need to put the lemon face up. But let me show you, this is the real way to squeeze the lemon. Face down with the tip up, and then just go right over your bowl. Can you see those caramelization bits that we wanted in there? You get some flavor and some zest. And from each lemon, you'll get about a 1/4 cup. This recipe, we're gonna use about 10 lemons, and then we're gonna add it to 2 cups of sugar and then 6 cups of water. So again, squeeze all those, get all those yummy bits that you're gonna want in there, and then you'll add it to your water and sugar. Make sure that you've allowed the sugar to dissolve, and then throw it in the fridge for a couple hours. You want it to be nice and cold, and then serve it with some chilled ice and a lemon wedge. And you'll have some delicious grilled lemonade.